In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off redstone torch in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you all of the main ways in which you will be able to control the state of a redstone torch. So the most convenient way is going to be by placing a block down and then placing redstone torches around this block. Then you place either a button or a lever on that same block. Essentially, the button is going to be powering up the block that is going to change the redstone torches. So with a button, whenever you press it, it is going to swap states. So if it is on, it will be off briefly and then turn back on again. So this can be useful to sending a delayed signal or whatever it is that you wish to do. The lever will permanently change the state. However, there are other alternatives besides this one. So this is an example of using a lever. It changes the redstone torch attached to this block that has the lever, so as you can see this one, and then it sends the signal up to these redstone beams. Now, if you want to make it repeatedly flicker, turning it on or off, then what you can do is use a repeater like this one. It's important that you place the repeaters in this loop manner, so 2 redstone dust, a repeater here, and then another one. Essentially, it is a loop. Now, if you try to do it like this, when the repeaters are set to the first or the default configuration, you will notice that the redstone torch will simply not blink. So what you may try to do is lower them to the second option. So if you lower to delay to 2, what will happen instead is that the redstone torches actually fizzes out. So as you can see, it is now turned off completely, which is a weird thing, but it is intentional. This means that if you want the redstone torch to repeatedly flicker without burning, you have to set them to 3. So if you set the delay on these redstone repeaters to 3, then you will be able to infinitely flicker them on and off. So as you can see, they are turning on and off and on and off. You can also do a setup like this one. So you place a block down, you place a redstone torch on the block, a repeater attached to that redstone torch. Remember to set it to the 3rd or 4th option here, and then you bring the redstone dust around to the same block. It's important that you don't destroy this torch because it is what is powering up the repeater, and then you will be able to trigger a signal using that redstone torch. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on and off redstone torch in Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.